Hi everyone, it's Sarah from SatinIce. I'm excited to talk to you about one of our newest products, Isomalt crystals. SatinIce Isomalt is a sugar substitute that doesn't crystallize and sets crystal clear, perfect for pouring into silicone molds or shaping to form unique creations. You can also customize it by adding color or flavor. It is important to be very cautious when handling Isomalt because it is very hot, and we recommend wearing protective gloves. First, you will want to prepare the Isomalt by cooking it over low-medium heat until it liquefies and reaches 332 degrees Fahrenheit. Once Isomalt has been cooked and cooled, it can be reheated in the microwave as needed. Let's take a look at how you can use the SatinIce Isomalt to create dessert toppers and cool effects. Create a cool water droplet effect or bubbles by pouring small drops of Isomalt onto a silicone mat. Wait for them to harden before releasing them and adding them to your creation. Form fun, trendy shapes for cake toppers or lollipops by adding color and flavor and pouring them into silicone molds. Pour the Isomalt directly onto a silicone mat. Once dried, break it into pieces to look like shards of glass. Design Isomalt sails by pouring the Isomalt directly onto a silicone mat, allowing it to cool for 30 to 60 seconds, and then drape it over an elevated surface to create a bowl-like structure. The possibilities are endless with the SatinIce Isomalt crystals. Whether you're pouring, molding, or shaping, it will make your dessert stand out. To learn more, visit SatinIce.Shop.